Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to play your playlist on Spotify Mobile in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening Spotify on your device. Tap on your library at the bottom right. Here it will show you all the playlists you made and the artists that you follow. Now to play your playlist, tap on any playlist. Tap on the play icon at the right side. If you want to shuffle the playlist, simply tap on the icon beside the play icon. Now you can enjoy your playlist. And that is how to play your playlist on Spotify Mobile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.